uni. Sister, what year are you in?
I've just finished, yeah.
My career, but without quitting my job. Of course, but you see how we manage to get transparency.
The electrical motors, and then some of our projects that
Mission to you guys, I work with 5 different companies. And the reason
oil project, obviously there needs to be a construction.
And then I moved to quality sector. I was a quality engineer for almost 5 or 7 years.
What's the platform? What do you guys make?
But hearing everyone's personal, stories has made me consider and want to look into engineering.
Great at school and also doing something that you love.
The best thing is to do it.
Into the water, that's what is making that bubble effect.
I think you did. Once you do that, you have to actually to the chest system.
I was more into football, but everyone knows the whole situation. Injured, and then
Something that is made with something to do with machine and cars. How many of you here in the hall, even engineers, any of you